Hello guys, I was searching the internet to find a good video on how to use Fibonacci retracement, and I found the video of Mr. Saad Ali. When I watched that video, I went back and I watched the whole Forex for Beginners course from scratch, and I'm so excited that I have now completed this course, and I can assure you that you will not find a better course available on the internet. After watching this course, you will learn how to use the Fibonacci retracement, how to read the charts, how to do the basic chart analysis, and how to use the exponential moving averages to do your trading in the forex. Guys, I will definitely recommend this course to everyone because this is probably the best course available on the internet, and I will say that don't waste your money here and there. Just watch this course and you will not need any other course after this one. Thank you very much.